the Peruvian engineering company received the visit of the ORA Operational Readiness Assessment Inspection team, led by the Chief U-8 military engineering officer responsible for all engineering operations within Minusca, for the purpose of the annual verification inspection. The result was rated as satisfactory and outstanding, highlighting the Peruvian contingent for its high level of discipline, professionalism, and efficiency in the execution of its operational tasks. A tour of the Peruvian engineering company's facilities was carried out, showcasing the operational, logistical, and administrative capabilities of the unit. Subsequently, a comprehensive verification of documents, directives, and plans was conducted with the contingent headquarters, covering the sections of personnel, intelligence, operations, training, logistics, CIMIC, and engineering operations, with the purpose of evaluating management, organization, and compliance with established procedures in accordance with UN standards. On the following day, the Chief U-8 issued an order consisting of 3 specific tasks. For this mission, the Peruvian engineering company deployed and demonstrated the full operational readiness of its assets and field capabilities, employing 17 heavy engineering machines, 5 engineering support vehicles, 2 armored 6x6 vehicles, 5 reconnaissance vehicles, and 65 military engineers. This deployment demonstrated the unit's high level of preparation, coordination, and operational efficiency in fulfilling its missions under international standards. Specific Task 1. A 1-kilometer tactical road reconstruction was carried out in a hot zone, where the Peruvian engineering company independently ensured its own security and executed the works with the objective of restoring mobility for the force, leaving the road section fully passable and in optimal operational condition. Under the direct supervision of the Chief U-8, a team composed of 21 military engineers and 12 heavy engineering machines worked intensively for 7 continuous hours, successfully completing the mission with efficiency, precision, and commitment. The ORA Minusca inspection team commended and praised the outstanding performance of the contingent, emphasizing the professionalism, experience, and technical capacity of the Peruvian military engineers, particularly those of the Peruvian Army, for their remarkable work in building tactical infrastructure under challenging conditions. Specific Task 2. During road maintenance operations in a hot zone, the Peruvian engineering company, providing its own security, conducted a preventive inspection of a bridge prior to crossing. During this verification, the security personnel detected an improvised explosive device, IED, and immediately reported it for the intervention of the EA team, using the available resources on site. During search and reconnaissance operations, the EA team employed a specialized explosive detection dog, successfully locating the device. However, during the approach for neutralization, the device unexpectedly detonated, prompting the immediate activation of emergency and medical evacuation (medevac) procedures. The maintenance, security, and EA teams precisely executed all standardized protocols, improvising a nearby helipad to ensure the rapid evacuation of the injured personnel. Once again, the Peruvian engineering company demonstrated its high level of preparation, training, operational capacity, and interoperability with other Minusca forces, being recognized by the OR, a Minusca team for the professionalism, discipline, and courage of the Peruvian military engineers and the EOD Peru team in combat operations and response to critical incidents. Specific Task 3. A maintenance and repair operation of a drainage system was carried out on a road located in a hot zone, where the Peruvian engineering company assumed its own security and completed the task within a maximum period of 1 day. The activity was conducted under the direct supervision of the OR and Minusca inspection team, particularly the Chief U-8, meeting the highest technical and safety standards. within 6 hours of continuous and professional work. The personnel successfully completed excavation, formwork, concrete pouring, and minor civil works on a culvert. The contingent's performance was commended by the entire OR and Minusca inspection team, highlighting the high level of preparation, discipline, and professionalism of the Peruvian military engineers in combat engineering operations. Our sincere appreciation to the OR Minusca inspection team for the opportunity to demonstrate to the Minusca force the operational and technical capabilities in the field of the Peruvian engineering company, a true reflection of the professionalism, discipline, and commitment of Peruvian military engineers serving for peace.